Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. I was trying to play Valorant but I'm getting Val 46 error. Today in this video we have got the exact schedule for the maintenance, when the servers will be back up and running. We have got the exact timing for all the time zones, all the regions. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and let's jump right into all the details. So when Valorant servers will be back up and running. Alright guys, so we have got the exact update. I'll be showing you the timings right over here. Alright guys, check this out. Valorant is down for 3 hours and it's kind of a chaos going on, guys. Valorant is down, people are playing CSGO. Valorant is down and people are waiting for the maintenance period, guys. Now without a further ado, let me show you the exact maintenance period. I know it's a kind of a crazy tough time. Alright, so first of all, oh my goodness, just check this out. Like 1864 outage reports. So this is kind of a crazy outage situation going on. So let me show you the latest update from Play at Valorant. Alright, so this is at Play Valorant, the Twitter official page. Alright, so let me show you the latest update right over here. So they have just introduced the deadlock, the new teammate, the player, and here is the thing, guys. They have also rolled in this team deathmatch, the new update, the progression system update. We have got the daily rewards, accessory store, agent store, and these things. And also we have got the deadlock player right over here. And right after this 3 hours ago tweet, we have got this tweet where they have dropped tons and tons of items, and apart from that, no update. But don't worry, guys, we have got the update. So you can check out the Valorant patch note 7.0. Basically new player, new team deathmatch, and new modes, and tons of other stuff. But without further ado, let me show you the latest update, the timing. So when Valorant servers will be back up and running from maintenance, from patched update. Alright guys, so we have got the exact update. I'll be showing you the timings right over here when the Valorant servers will be back up and running. So here is the thing, guys. We have got this patch notification on June 27 today. They will be doing this patch update for the episode 7 act 1 shooter. And here is the thing, guys. The patch will be incredibly large. However, guys, there will be no surprise. Riot Games is taking the shooter offline for a few hours. And here is the thing. They will be going to update tons and tons of details right over here into the game, which is a major update. That's why we have got this exact timeline maintenance schedule for all the regions. Now let me show you. So here you can see for Asia Pacific servers, the maintenance will be happening on 14 PDT. The Brazil servers will be down for maintenance on 6 PDT. In Europe, servers will be down on 20 PDT. And Korea servers will be down for maintenance on 14 PDT. Latin America 6 PDT. North America 6 PDT. And like I mentioned, the downtime for servers is expected to last around few hours. So this could be increasing significantly if and nothing goes by the plan. So here's the thing, guys. We need to hope, wait, and see what's really going on, because here you can see, guys, the deadlock is a new player, new Sentinel agent. And do let me know what do you think about this one. The update size is around 4 gigabytes, which may sound like a lot, but it isn't too surprising considering the amount of the content packed in, the new player and all that. So once again, guys, these are the all server maintenance schedule for in the all the regions for the Valorant. Do check out your particular region, and guys, do let me know what do you think about the new players, new updates. Once I get any latest detail, I will keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.